Thinking about engagement ideas for your attendees and exhibitors at your next exhibition or conference? Now look no further with Events Genie, an exhibition and conference management app designed with an advanced SaaS technology for all your upcoming events. Now let's see what Events Genie offers. Lead generation. Effortlessly capture and download leads and manage contact information securely. Products and users listing. Users can create profiles, while exhibitors can showcase their products and services for the event. Meeting scheduler. Book appointments with delegates or exhibitors before the event for focused networking and deal-making opportunities on the day. Android, iOS and micro web with DIY dashboard. Access our platform easily across Android, iOS and micro web, featuring a user-friendly DIY dashboard. Promote sustainability. Go completely paperless and maintain absolute control of your event. Check out what benefits organizer will get through Events Genie. Ice breaking between participants. Our app helps participants connect and network easily and effectively by sharing basic profiles through app. Users engagement. Various engagement opportunities for productive interactions among participants. Reports and analytics. Data insights to understand user behavior for informed decision and planning. Sponsors branding opportunities. Take advantage of our sponsor branding opportunities to enhance visibility and engagement. Also, don't miss what benefits the exhibitor will get through Events Genie. Brand awareness. Maximize exhibitor exposure and engagement with our event app by displaying products and company details. Generate leads. Effortlessly generate leads for exhibitors at your event. Increase footfalls on booth. Maximize foot traffic at your booth through pre-scheduled meetings. Increase business connections. Enhance exhibitor business connections through improved networking opportunities. Batch scanning for lead capture. It simplifies lead capture and facilitates efficient data collection at events. Let's not forget about the benefits that delegates will get through Events Genie. Potential matches. Find matches based on industry and shared interests. Build strong connections. Connect with delegates and exhibitors for impactful networking. Personalized agenda. Select sessions and speakers of your choice and get reminder notifications before it starts. Stay updated. Get instant app notification instantly on schedule changes, speakers, and alerts during the event. Matchmaking and networking. On the basis of interests and industry, connect with like-minded professionals and industry leaders. Download PMFAI ICSCE app now.